Welcome guys to another amazing video, okay? Thank you guys first of all for clicking the video. Please make sure you watch until the end, and please make sure that you pay Hannah, baby Hannah, please, one second. I'll be, wait. Hey mate, hello mate, hey, hello mate, hey, y'all remember me? I'm Eric, I'm your boy Eric. Hey, you know how I'm really smart? I'm smart because I listen and I watch the video all the way. And if I have help or I have a question, I have my notebook next to me and I write notes in it from the video. And then after that, I do the homework. Please make sure that you watch the video carefully. Mr. Magdi knows what he's doing. He's smart. He's real smart. Oh, I gotta go. Eric, I guess thank you for telling them something they already know. But these kids are already smart. They didn't need you to tell them this because they already do this. Watch the video. Welcome guys to another video. Today we're learning about multiplying with multi-digit numbers. So in another video before, we learned how to multiply numbers when there was just one number on the bottom. Now when we have more than one number on the bottom, what will we do? It's very simple. It's almost the same exact steps. We're just gonna have a little tweak, a little change in it, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna look at our first example here. 83 times 27. To simplify it for ourselves, here's what we're going to do. In your notebooks, you will simply just take your thumb or your other finger off the other hand that you write with and just cover the number with it. But because I have a board here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sticky note and we're going to actually cover the other number here. So now what does this problem look like? The problem looks like 83 times 7, okay? So let's do that just like the video before and see what we get. So 7 times 3 is 21, okay? We're going to write the 1 here and put the 2 up top. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus 2 is 58. So we just simply write the 8 and the 5 down here. Are we done? Not quite yet. We still have the other digit that's here, okay? So it's very important to do these couple things in order, just like how it's going to be in the video. When we take the slip off of the other side, we will take our pen and instantly cross off the other digit on the other side. In addition to that, in that same ones column, we're going to start by writing a 0. Okay? Then we're going to do the same steps as before. But because you guys are smart and you're answering with your pencil, before you actually begin, we're going to erase any numbers that we wrote up here from the problem before, so that we don't get things mixed up and confused. Okay? Then we will continue our problem just like before. We will do 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we will do 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Any more numbers? No. So we're just going to write 6 and then 1 here. Then what do? We're going to take our numbers here and we're just simply going to add them together. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4. We're going to carry the 1 over. All right? 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2. Carry the 1 over. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So when we multiply 83 times 27, we will get 2,241. Didn't quite get it? It's all right. We have 2 more examples to do the same thing. So let's get to it. Now let's go ahead and try another example. Let's do 124 times 53. Same thing like I did on the other problem. I'm going to take my sticky note and I will simply cover up the tens digit on the bottom number. So now it looks exactly like multiplication, but with one number. So let's get to it. 3 times 4 is 12. 2, and we're going to write the 1 up top. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So we're going to put our 7 here. 7 here. And then finally, after we do 3 times 2, we're going to do 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. That's the identity property that we took not too long ago. So 3 times 124 is 372. Now again, please do these steps in the exact order I do them here. I will take off the sticky note. I will take my pencil and I will cross off the digit I was just multiplying with. And finally, because I was using a pencil, I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase all of the marks that I just made a second ago. So there we go. Erase, erase, erase. Erase, erase. And now it's all gone. And the last thing and the most important thing, before you start, you have to put a 0 down in the ones unit before you can begin. This is very important. If you forget this, your answer will be very wrong. Please do not forget the 0. Okay? So, let's continue. Same thing like before. We're going to multiply the 5 into all the digits here. So 5 times 4 is 20. 0. And we're going to carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2. And we're going to carry the 1. And then finally, 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. Once we do that, we make our line. And then we add the two numbers together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. And nothing in 6 is 6. So when you multiply 24 times 153, you get 6,572. Let's do one more example, okay? Oh no, this one looks very complicated. It looks very, very, very large. 783 times 369. It looks like there's a lot of steps, but this is also very easily done. So, what is actually going to change? The only thing that's going to be different is that we will, instead of having one sticky note, we will now have 2. Okay? So with our first sticky note, we're going to cover the tens digit here. And with our second sticky note, we're going to cover the hundreds digit here. And look at that. It's multiplication with a single digit. So let's do this real quick. So 9 times 3 is 27. 7, and put the 2 on top. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 2 is 74. 4, and then 7 here. After I multiply 9 times 8, I need to make sure I do 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. 63 plus 7 is 70. I'm going to put the 0 and the 7 there. Now, just like in the steps before, I'm going to remove a pink slip. Now, before you get confused and say which one do I take off, we multiplied this digit 9. So we're going to take our pen, we're going to X off the digit 9, we're going to write a number 0, and then we will take off the pink slip closest to the number 9. So now we see the second digit. All right? Then I will take my eraser and I will erase all of these other marks from the 9 multiplication that I just did a minute ago. So erase, 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 erase. And look, now let's continue doing this and see where this will go. Just like before, 6 times 3 is 18. 8, and I'm going to carry the 1. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. So we're going to write the 9 and write the 4 on top. And then finally, 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. So we're just going to write 46. Are we done yet? No, because we still have one more pink slip. And we're going to get rid of it right now. So, just like all the other rules and all the other times, we will X out the digit that we just multiplied. And then we will put, so this, what place value is this in? This is in the tens. So we will put 2 zeros down here on the bottom because this is in the tens unit. Okay? But on the other step, when we multiplied the 6, we only put 1 0 because this was in the tens unit. Sorry, yeah, this was in the tens unit. And now we're going to multiply a number in the hundreds units plan. Okay? And that's why we need 2 zeros here on the bottom. Okay? So last thing we're going to do is we're just going to erase all of the work from the multiplication problem from before. Erase, 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 erase. Erase, 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 erase. Alright. And now let's go about finishing this problem, which seems like it takes a lot of steps. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 8 is 24. 4. 2 over here. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 and 2 is 23. Finally, are there any more numbers here on the bottom? No, there aren't. So then we make our nice big line here. And then we do addition. All right? 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus another 9 is 19. So 9. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So 8. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And there are no numbers to add with the 2, so it's simply just going to drop. So 783 times 369 is 200,000. 927. I hope this video was useful. If you're confused or got lost in any of these steps, please go back, pause it, and please watch again. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.